about a feature that is not well known and not necessarily advanced, that can really help you with your spreadsheet if you're using a lot of spreadsheets. A big one can be difficult to manage. I'm going to work with this small one for now, just to give you an idea of what you can do. So first of all, instead of clicking here, here, and here, or dragging like that, you can click an entire row by clicking this number 1 here, or number 2, or you can click an entire column, A, B, C. All right. Now look, this feature called autofilter that I'm going to talk about, it does not work in Google Docs. And I know that my first video, I talked a lot about how great Google Docs is, but there are some drawbacks. First of all, it doesn't support this feature. Second of all, it's difficult to use offline. So if you don't have an internet connection, you basically can't use Google Docs. So with LibreOffice or Microsoft Office, you can do that. Macintosh has a program called iWork, which I'm not going to get into now, but it also comes free with new Macs, and you can edit documents offline, and it's compatible with Microsoft Office, as is LibreOffice. So we're going to start with LibreOffice. I'm going to click this number 1 here. I'm going to go to Data, and I'm going to click Autofilter. Okay, now I get these little triangles next to everything in the top bar. So what if I want to look at only females, okay, not males? I can click only look at males. Okay. All right. What if I want to look at females and males that happen to be married? I can click get rid of no, only yes remains. I click OK. Now I see only married people in my spreadsheet. All right, let's do the same thing in Office, Microsoft Office. Now, I don't necessarily like this very much. Well, it's a great program, but you have to pay for it, whereas LibreOffice, you don't. And they offer most of the same features. So anyway, I'm going to click this number 1 again, just like I did in LibreOffice, and I'm going to go to Data and click Autofilter. It does the same thing. Look, now I can choose people who are not married, and it only shows now people who are not married. I can filter and not look at the results that I don't want to look at, and look only at the results that I do want to look at. In fact, I can combine them. Married, no. Okay, only no. And gender, only female. Now I only see female people who are not married. So in a giant spreadsheet using LibreOffice or Microsoft Office, this autofilter feature is going to help. All right, guys, remember, there is a subscription button down in the box below. Click it. Click the bell icon next to it so that you get notified every time I make a new video. And don't forget to like. So like, subscribe, click the bell. That's it, guys. Have a great one.